that's unfortunate. How's it going, guys? Today, the temperature outside's like 48 degrees. Right now, I'm just gonna catch some bluegill just to kill the skunk if I catch nothing later. So, I'm gonna catch some fish today. We'll see how it goes. Right here, I'm just digging for some worms. Okay, right here, you can see there's a nice one right there. I'll grab this one. Oh, shoot. Don't like getting my hands dirty that often, but grab this one. There's another. You never think that a bluegill will eat like these massive worms, but they really do. That should be enough. Just cover up this hole because it's in my backyard and I don't want my parents getting mad at me for digging some holes and just not covering them up. Well, that'll do it. Let's just cast this out here. Oh, there's one. First one today. Skunk. I showcase it too much, but there he is. Oh, that's unfortunate. He just fell. Out over here real fast. Oh, there's one. Look at him go. This guy was hungry. Come here, little fella. Okay, be free, bud. There's one. Let's go. These things are hungry today. Pulling some drag. Here we go. Another one. I'm back. I'm not feeding the fish today. I'd much rather get a bigger fish, like a pike and or bass. All the bowfin are not active in the cold temperatures such as this, but the bluegill clearly are. And fish, thought he was. Oh, you're joking. On the fall one got it. That is actually hilarious. These things are active. I mean, springtime, because they just bite every cast, but it's just not my thing. Okay, we are done. There's one. There is a nice pike. That was like second cast today. We've got some pliers. There we go. It's a little bloodied up, but that was on the zinger. First fish actually that I've gotten on it. And we got this small pike. Okay, you ready? There he goes. Oh, that was northern pike.
Wow, that was so fast.
Yeah, I just got here. It's kind of awkward because there's a whole family watching me as I caught that pike. So I wasn't trying to be too loud on the camera. And I know people like their privacy, and I don't want them to feel like they're just like being filmed, because that's not what we're going for. I was going decently slow, but what I'm assuming is that with these pike, oh, there's another one. That is a bass. Let's go, guys. Whoo! I was not expecting a bass today, and especially not on, let's just show you guys this, okay? Right here, we've got a bait caster, okay? We've got 65-pound braid right here. Then we've also got a leader. This is actually a solid bass. I was not expecting this day to go like this. That is crazy. Pre-spawn fish. They're getting ready for this spawn. Let's put this guy back in the water. And also, what's crazy about this fish is he swam so fast. That's what I love about fishing pre-spawn. These fish always fight super hard. I thought that was pike. Go back, bud. Okay. Dude, these geese are gonna steal my fish. We got one, guys. Oh, he's hung up. Whoo! These guys are feisty. What the heck? Oh my gosh. These guys fight hard. Look at this nice chunk, guys. Little 1.5 pounder. That is the dark sleeper. First fish of the day, guys. It is a nice little bass. As you can see, he's actually got some sores in his mouth. I don't know if you guys can see that. But he's got some sores in his mouth. But we are gonna release him in the water. Oh, that sucks, guys. I'll get it. There he is. We got that time. Look at these fish, guys. You can just see how fast and how much they're fighting. It's actually crazy. Another decent sized fish. I mean, it's bass, but on the dark sleeper. I don't know if that's like normal, but in the back of their throats, they're like super, super red. Okay, push you back, bud. There's another one. Oh! I'm gonna tighten that a little bit. There's one. These guys are fighting fast, dude. Oh, this is actually a kind of nice one. Look at that. Actually, no, he's pretty small. He just felt a lot bigger than he is. He's like, honestly, pretty small. Never mind. Let's see if we can get this out easily. There it goes. Let's put him back.
I found my liquid, so I'm happy.
What? You lost it?
Yeah.
Dude, do you see how fast these fish are running?
What the?
I set the hook over there. He's over there. Jesus. They're running faster than pike. Look at that. Let's put him back. Now I want to fight like a 5 pounder.
I know.
And especially on this rod.
There's a 5 in here, but
Maybe. Biggest I've caught is 2. But today we can beat that. Ah. Oh. Oh, he's not. Okay, there. There he goes. Thought I killed him for a second. Okay. Little dink again. There's one. Pre-spawn fish. Gotta love and appreciate it. These fish will be making the new generation. Dude, this kid's so weird. Do you see this kid? Look over there. He went in this stupid water to get his lipless. It's like 40 degree. Okay, it's like close to 50 degree water temperature. We are gonna try this out. It is, I got it on my Mr. Tackle box. It is the Banger. This actually looks a lot prettier out of the box too now. Let's try this out. Let's go. Banger. Sexy shad. Go back, bud. Go back, bud. Yeah, both of my big swim bait bites last year were in this from this side. Oh! Okay, let's pull you over here. I swear, if he flops...
If he flops, I'm kind of screwed. Just barely hurts.
Okay, bud. Let's put this beauty
1.92 pounds.
back in the water.
Carp, my bud.
Oh, there's one. Oh, thing came off. Oh, small northern. Come here, bud. On the swim beach.
Oh, I see. There you go.
Oh, there. Whatever. Okay. Let's put him back in the water, guys. There he goes. And then I actually got the fish hooked, and then actually it's not over there anymore, but I was so mad. Ah. It's a swim bait. My other one was weedless. But I bet I could snipe it from here. There. You thought it was a blow up? Okay, one second. One more cast. There.
Oh, it's that.
Oh! What the hell is this? Is this a carp? It's stuck on something. I don't want to break off. This ain't good.
This way.
Oh!
He's out.
No, he's still there. He's still wrapped up around something. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna see if he can pull himself out. What is this, man? I feel like I need to get down and like try to unwrap it.
Is that a fish?
Yeah, that's a fish. Wait, can you hold my phone? I'm gonna go down. Oh, it came off. Dang it, I just broke off. This is shish kebab.